Let's go see how the greenhouse is doing in the windy conditions. I don't have a door on yet. This is the windy side. No issues. Been pretty windy. Have a look inside. Yeah, I have got some romaine lettuce started and some in seed and spinach, peas, and celery. This box is all herbs. We got some shishito peppers and jalapeno, a couple bell pepper, rosemary, oregano, cilantro, and just one basil. I'm going to add more basil. Tomato plants down here. And over here I'm going to do some quick turns vegetables, onions, and radishes. I got snow peas going over here. I don't have plastic up here yet on this part, which is allowing the wind to pass straight through, and I think that's helpful. And I'm going to add some trellises right up here to hold up my tomatoes and my snow peas and my peas here behind me when they're big enough. But we're getting some pretty good gusts of wind right now, and we're in good shape. Just a little light breeze on the inside here because it's open up above. So yep, looking good.